Alright, Jack, we're getting ready to go outside, aren't we? That's right, we got a lot of snow last night. Like over a foot. That's good shoveling. You were going to do that outside, right? Get all the snow off the driveway and the sidewalks. And what do you got over there? Your sled? Show me how you go on the sled. That's right. You sit in the sled. Are you ready to go outside? You think? We just need to bundle you up and open the door. Right? Are you ready? Are you ready? Say snow.
Snow.
Say snow.
Snow.
Snow, okay. Can you say sled? Can you say sled? How about shovel?
Stove.
Okay, we're still on stove. Are you gonna lounge? Alright. Let's get you bundled up and get outside already. Okay? See you in a bit. Okay, Jack, I think we're ready. You are mega bundled. Let me see those mittens. Look at those. Careful. We got the boots, we got the snow pants. You ready to go? Here, let's open the door. Get out there. Move the sled. Oh, wait a minute, I'm missing. Get the shovel. Here we go. Jack's in the snow. Ooh, it's cold out. Isn't it cold? Hang on, let me get in front of you. Watch your step. There's steps here. Oh, someone should close the door, huh? This ought to be me. Very careful. Good. Let me close the door. Make sure it's not locked. Okay, start shoveling. Look at that! Snow! Should we make a snowman? Should we just make dents in it? You want to go for a sled? Get in your sled, I'll take you for a ride. It's okay. Here, why don't you sit down? I'll take you for a ride. Come on. Get in the sled. Ready? Here we go. Ooh, it's deeper than I thought. Hold on. Just shake that snow off. Uh-oh, we're tipping. We're tipping. Oh, there we go. You having fun?
Oh.
No? Okay. We'll be back later. Hey, Jack, what do you think of all the snow? Yeah, it's stuck to your mittens. You're not a fan. You want to go for a sledding ride? Careful, it's very deep. Are we going to make a snowman? Yeah, I know. Your hands are dirty. It's okay. Careful. You're going to sink. Are you stuck? He's trying to walk. Whoa. Alright, let's make a snowman, Jack. Can you get up? Good shoveling. Are you helping, Jack? What a good boy. Here we go. Jack's on the playground. Swing set. Hey Jack, we cleared off the slide. Don't you want to go down it? No? You're just more interested in your shovel. The shovel's a big hit. That is good shoveling right there. Oh no! I think it's deeper in the backyard than the front, isn't it, Jack? Getting stuck a lot. Do you want to go down the slide? Do you need help? Let me help you. I got you. Here you go. Feet in. You driving? There's Jack driving. Go down the slide for us. Can you go down the slide? Okay. Scoot forward. Go ahead. Whee! That was fun. Jack, look at all the shoveling we did. Look, we made paths. We cleared the deck. We made a path to the garbage. No, that is definitely stuck. That's the ice melt. I can't even lift that. That's it. You knocked that snow off. Pull. You pull. Keep pulling. Should we go in the front? Should we open the gate? Hang on. Here we go. Yeah, let's go find Dada. Hey, can you shovel that bit of snow there? Are you driving? Hi! He's right behind me. You missed him like 3 times. He's right there.